Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this short video I wanted to show you a couple of tricks that can help you do things more efficiently, especially in sales phase. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna assume that the only piece of information that we have is a business card, and it's usually that's what people exchange in events and meetings. And we're gonna convert just one piece of information that we have, a business card, into something really powerful using just 4 tools, nothing else. And of course, we're gonna use openAI, but that's a little bit later, right? So our target is our end result is the following. So our end result is this very nice table that is populated in real time. The moment somebody takes in your team, somebody takes a photo of a business card. So the whole point of the process is whenever somebody gets a business card from a lead, they need to take a photo and load it somewhere. There are different ways you can load the business card. Okay, you can use forms. You can load this directly into Dropbox when taking a photo. It's up to your team to decide. But at the end, the information appears here, and we're going to use this automation to extract data from a business card and do very neat tricks with that. Now, what's important is our target is to have real-time view of what is happening in an event. Let's say if these are the people who we met in a current event, and we get this information again in real time. And also we can build charts. Okay, by having all this information mapped out, we can have different charts and we can have dashboards and see what's going on and what was our target and whether we achieved it or not. So let's run our automation, and in this case somebody has uploaded the photo of the business card, and what we do is we automatically extract data and then fill up all the fields that we need that are super important for our case. Okay, who is that? It's Sunny from Apple, product design engineer from product development, and this is not a real person. And what also happens is that we receive a Slack message about the list of topics that we can talk with this person. Okay, in this case it can be a list of topics, it can be a list of materials based on the person position and the company, or also based on our lead classification. Now, how does this all stack up together? One of the most important things is of course Bitskout, because that allows you to build all this intelligence from simple things. So once we extract data from a business card, we know the company, the person position, and that's actually very powerful information. Now, in order to extract data from a business card, you can use a ready-made template and add this as a plugin here. But what makes it really stand out is the possibility to create a custom classification. What is this? Every company has a certain ICP and target, and in this case what you can do is you can categorize based on that. You can categorize the person, company name and position, whether it's your target or not. Sometimes this is called rabbits and elephants and deers based on the account size. Okay, so if you are a small startup targeting smaller customers, that you should focus on rabbits. The way it's done is you type a company name, let's say VP of engineering, and give it a label, let's say target, and then you add somebody else, let's say the same, Apple procurement specialist, no target. Okay, and then you add a couple of more examples based on your ICP. It's what you decide, not what we decide. Let's say Microsoft head of IT, and let's say it's a target. So you sell, let's say, cloud solutions. Okay, and you create this plugin, and this plugin will allow you to classify based on this information. Okay, test categorization. Okay, and now we have it, and here it is. Well, let's test it. Let's say Oracle supply chain manager, and this is one of the ways to classify the lead. So this is not a target for us, And what I'm doing in this example, I'm classifying whether it's a deer, rabbit, or elephant based on the account size. And in this case, I'm creating a custom account size because a person in supply chain, let's say I'm targeting logistics customers, a person in supply chain is a bigger customer from me, from a smaller supply chain company, than a person from Cisco who is a network engineer, even though the accounts are different. But these are different people and they mean differently to me. All right? And this is the classification that I have created. It is called lead targeting. Okay? It's very powerful. So I gave a couple of examples. You can give more examples. So this is a very powerful because it allows me to customize what I want to see. And then the next step is what I also want to know is what is the organizational unit of the person. Okay, for that Bitskout also has a special template, and this template allows you to see from a position name what's the org unit. So you basically create whether it's executive or not, and all this together allows me to create this kind of table. And also we can add more categorization based on the company name. We can deduct the industry, or based on the photo name we can grab the location, and based on date we can understand what is the type of event from just a simple thing, from just one business card, photo of the business card. You can have a real-time information and send exactly targeted resources to your teams in real time when they are in a call. So when they enter in the meeting room, they can take photos of the business card, or they have a photo of the business card with them. They can get this information up and running. Okay, just from one just single source. And because it's an automation, so you can write it to whatever tool you use. I used Monday as an example, but you can write it in the Google Sheets anywhere you want. And then what I do is I send to openAI a prompt to list top 3 productivity challenges that a certain person from a position faces. And then, because openAI can generate, it's a generative AI, so it can generate me a set list of topics, and I can get these things. You can change it in the way you want. Not if you are not selling productivity, let's say in the cloud or in security or whatever. So this is very powerful because I just did it in a couple of hours. It didn't took me much time, and I only needed 4 tools to do that. So because of that, you can get real-time information on what is going on all the time, in real time, in all events. It's just a simple dashboard here. Thanks a lot, and feel free to send us any questions. Thank you.